Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a fall shopping haul at Target. Let's get started. Nothing brings more memories of fall than a good fall scent, and Target has so many different scents and styles of candles. Look how beautiful these are. Some for $10, some were for $15. We stopped and smelled all of them and loved them. If you're looking for a yummy candle, Target is the place to go. I instantly fell in love with this gold tray. I could think of so many different ways I could style it in my home and repurpose it. It is so beautiful. I just love the size and the price, $35. Who wouldn't love that price? I also fell in love with this $20 brass pillar candle holder. They only had one, unfortunately, or I definitely would have picked up two. So many fun candle finds. Found these beautiful brown pillar candle holders. Once again, loving this colorful fall. You can put candles in these, you can turn them into a vase, so many different uses for them. Also love those brass pot holders or flower holders, whatever you choose. How cute are these pumpkins? I am loving the natural elements, and these are such a great price for $5 and $10. I literally could have taken one of each of these. You can head to the link below and follow me on Shop Your Likes. I have all these cute pumpkins and decor linked in that link. Give me a follow and start shopping. I also love these pillows. I thought they could be used once again indoors or outdoors. They bring in that nice natural element. The throw blankets were also very pretty. Once again, loving the feel of this one. It was so soft. And I absolutely love this maroon throw blanket. It really caught my eye. Loving these threshold candles. I love the shape of them as well. This olive color is perfect for fall. These leather vases really caught my eye. I almost came home with them, but I thought that might be a little too brown for what I have going on in the colors of my home, but they're definitely gorgeous. As you can see, a couple of these pumpkins came home with me. I thought they were so cute. I also paired them with those little vases, the slate vases I picked up from a previous Target haul, and I just thought they made the perfect complement to my coffee station. So yes, I did pick up this brass tray. I love the size of it for my table and the one pillar holder. I'm hoping to find another one. Grab the cute little faux pumpkin and add it with the slate vase and the olive tree. All of this is from Target, you guys, and it made the perfect little vignette on my dining table for this fall. I also picked up a couple more of those little pumpkins and added them to my cozy corner. This is where I have my little chair and end table, and I get to sit and chat with Steve while he's cooking. It's the perfect spot, and they were the perfect addition. So I did pick up a couple of these brown pillows. I thought they would help break up the green in my couch and also pull the cream up from the rug in my carpet. They could be used, I think, indoors or outdoors. I actually have a tutorial where I use these outside. And then I paired them with this nice, cozy, chunky throw blanket. Once again, bringing in the creams and the tans, helping break up the green in my sofa. It is so soft and so cuddly, perfect for fall. Lastly, I picked up this artwork by Studio McGee. And you guys, I was able to score this on clearance. And it had to come home with me. I think it set the tone for this room. And here's a little sneak peek into what I think the colors are gonna be for my Halloween decor. I had to get this throw blanket. Thank you for shopping and styling with me. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn your notifications on.